Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is July 16, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'm going to be giving you more of the major levels on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels she has on her chart, and then I will be going over gold and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels I have on those charts. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, again, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and pop into it. For S&P 500, I do get some main levels right now. A little bit of a prior support turned resistance right now. For me, it's going to be right around these 43.6625s. If we get above that, I might look for the market to try to use that as support and maybe continue to my next level above 43.8125, and then above that measure move 43.95. Level down below for support 43.5625, and then below that 43.4525 as my supports underneath. But that's going to wrap it up for my major levels here on S&P. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she has.
Good morning, Dave. This is just delicious. I love this price action because we were bearish up until yesterday when the market found a bottom at 4,332. That did not qualify the trend change. What qualified the trend change is to use that 43.45, which was a support turned resistance, as support, which it did. So from there, now we move up and find our peaks to follow the trend up. First peak, 43.53.5. Let the market do its dance, below it, above it. Let all the other traders just get emotionally involved and just sit on your hands and wait. Wait for the market to use that area as a clean bounce up, and it sure enough did in London. Next peak from there is 43.56.75. Same thing. Let the market do its dance, above it, below it. Just get all crazy in the middle of it and wait for the market to come back down and use it as a clean support bounce. It did. Beautiful. Next peak, 43.60.75. Market is shooting up with a purpose, probably heading up to the 70 area, not without some struggles along the way. But now I'm in this long, waiting for it to touch the 70. I'm patient because I get it. I got in at that peak at 56.75. I waited for the candle close. That was my confirmation to hit it. But after this trade, then I'm going to wait for the market to come back down to that third peak at 60.75 to use it as a nice clean bounce. Might go below it, might go above it, might do a little dance around it, waiting for that clean bounce to shoot back up. So we've got our 3 micro peaks. 2 of them have been used. Let's wait for the third one, or we can use Dave's main levels, whatever you're comfortable with. And that's it for SPOOs, baby. How about oil and gold?
All right, good job. All right, so let's move over into gold. Gold coming into prior levels of support acting as resistance. Top level 1826.4 to about 1824.7. Those are going to be my levels of resistance that I have right now, and want to see if the market can actually pull down from there, get back to maybe a main level of support 1820.4, and below that 1818.0. We did fall down all the way down close to about 1815. I do have a gap on my chart. I don't know if you guys have that on your guys' chart, but I'm looking to see if that's going to be our level of resistance right now, right around these 1824.7s to about 26.4, and see if we can pull down from there. Above that, resistance is going to come at 1831, and then below 1815.3 is going to be 1806.6. So we'll see what actually takes place there. Let's move over to crude oil. Crude oil coming up right now, level of resistance for me is going to be 72.27. Maybe it might fall a little bit lower into 71.73, and then we'll see what takes place there. If we hold 71.73, we may see the market try to retest those 72.27s and then try to push past that to 73.05. But if we fall below 71.73, next level down below for me is going to be somewhere around 71.30. So we'll see what actually takes place here on oil as well. But let's go ahead and prepare for the open.